Friends, I hope you all are well. I am Vaibhav Gurjar, your assistant teacher from Bal Bharti Public School, Mawana. Today we will discuss about history, when, where and how. So let's start from Indian history. Indian history is divided into three parts basically: ancient, medieval and modern history. Our main topic will be medieval history today. So medieval history is divided into two parts. First is early and second is later. Basically medieval history is the period from 8th century to 18th century. Now early medieval history is from 18th to 13th century, and later is from 13th to 18th century. The changes that happened during the medieval century were the rule of Rajputs, and after that the Mughals and the Muslim invaders came to India. So the major changes that happened during that time we will discuss now. Major developments during the medieval period. First of all, the rulers were Rajputs, and Rajputs were invading their nearby areas to increase their territory. Then after comes the Muslim invaders. First of all, Muhammad of Ghor invaded India and established Muslim ruler in India. Then so many changes happened in India, like the invaders who came to India, they brought so many changes. Their ideas were different, their thinking were different. Also they introduced technology, and at that time Bhakti movement also spread in India. Bhakti movement and Sufism, they took place during the Muslim invaders. Then we comes to the development of religion. The Muslims who came to India, they forced people to change their religion, and also the people who were Hindus, they believe in different gods and they were devotees to the different gods. Now discuss the effect of geography. First of all, the invaders who came to India, they were allowed from the passes from the mountains like Khyber Pass. The traders came to India for trading, and after that they became good rulers in India and flourished their empire. So many traders came to India for trading, and also so many rulers rule here from the different parts of the world. So they called India by different names. So here are some names of India that were new and old. Also we can say new and old terminologies for India. First is Aryavart, Jambudweep, Bharatvarsh, Hindustan, India, and now we call it India. Information about our medieval period, or we can say the sources of medieval period are archaeological sources and literary sources. Archaeological sources are monuments, coins, inscriptions, etc., and literary sources are literatures like indigenous literature and foreign literature. Means indigenous are the literature which we get information from the rulers of India, and the foreign literature is the people who came to India and they give their notes for the India. Topic is modern history. In modern history, dates are very important for us, so we will discuss about importance of dates in history. Basically dates tells us about the exact timing of an event, when it happened exactly, and we get to know the timing of that event. Now how we select dates? Selection of dates, basically dates are selected, they are dependent on the topic that we are discussing. Comes to the periodization. Periodization is the demarcation of time in different periods. For example, as history is divided into ancient history, medieval history and modern history, this is called demarcation. Now comes to colonial rule. In our colonial rule, it is the main part of our in our modern history, it is the main part. Colonial rule, it is the rule of British in which they were ruling our country, India. And colonization is the subjugation of a country by another country that leads to some changes like political changes, social changes and cultural changes. For example, as when British were ruling India, they made so many changes in our country. Now comes to the sources from where we get the information about colonial period. So the sources that from where we get the information are administrative records, literary sources, paintings, museums, survey and maps, monuments and newspapers. These all things give us the information about the British rules. Thank you.